Welcome back to 5 Minute English Talk, the show that helps you speak real life, everyday English in just 5 minutes a day. Whether you're traveling, studying, or just hanging out with friends, ordering a drink at a cafe is something you'll definitely need.
Today, let's practice how to order coffee, tea, or even snacks in a clear and natural way.
Okay, Jane, let's imagine we're walking into a cafe. What's the first thing we do?
Easy. You greet the staff politely. You could say, "Hi, can I get a coffee, please? Hello, I'd like a cup of tea. Good morning, could I have a cappuccino?"
Nice, simple, and polite. Now, if you want to be more specific, you can mention size or extras. For example, can I have a large latte with soy milk? I'd like a small green tea, please. Could I get an iced coffee with sugar? And don't forget, you can also ask questions if you're not sure. What teas do you have? Do you have almond milk? Is this available iced?
Sometimes you see someone with a really good-looking drink and you want to know what it is. Here's how you can ask politely. "That looks really good. What did you order?" "Excuse me, what's that drink called?" "Wow, that looks amazing. Is it on the menu?" And if you want the same thing, you can tell the barista, "I'll have what they're having." "Can I order the same drink, please?" "That looks great. I'd like the same one."
This is super useful if you're not sure what to choose, but something catches your eye. Here's an example of a real-life conversation between a customer and a coffee shop employee.
"Hi, can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please?"
Sure. Anything else?
"Actually, that drink looks really nice. What is it?"
Oh, that's a caramel frappuccino.
"Great. Can I change my order to that instead?"
Of course, one caramel frappuccino coming right up. When ordering, keep your sentences short and polite. Can I get or I'd like always works.
And here's a little extra tip. Don't be shy about asking what something is. It shows curiosity, and it's completely normal in cafes. Here's your challenge for today. Practice 3 things out loud. 1, a simple order. 2, an order with details like size or milk type. 3, asking someone what they ordered and then ordering the same thing.
That's it for today's episode of 5 Minute English Talk. If you're new here, check out our previous episodes. We've covered everyday topics like chatting with a co-passenger on a flight, talking about weekend plans, and even conversations in online meetings.
We'll be back tomorrow with another practical English lesson you can start using right away. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep talking.